A new programme called LEADER is operating in Gwynedd.
What is LEADER?
LEADER is an European programme that supports innovation in rural areas to support the economy. The aim is to trial new activities, to offer new solutions to the challenges facing the economy in Gwynedd. Everything may not succeed, but innovation must allow for failure. Activities should take advantage of Gwyned's strengths, such as history and heritage, the coastal path, language and culture, outdoor activities and local produce, and seek to respond to the challenges facing the county, such as outmigration among young people, the decline of the high street, cuts in public services and the short visitor season. The LEADER programme has identified 5 themes and activities should complement one or more of them. The themes are adding value to local identity, natural and cultural resources. That is, making the most of what makes us different, unique and interesting. Support businesses to develop new products and work in partnership. Identifying new ways of delivering local services. Renewable energy at a community level, producing it, using it or reducing consumption. Develop digital technology opportunities to improve connectivity in Gwynedd.
So how does it work?
Communities are invited to pilot new projects that take advantage of strengths or respond to a challenge. These can be a geographic community, such as a village, or a community of interest, such as outdoor pursuit businesses across the county. If the project is eligible and meets LEADER's innovative ethos, resources can be allocated to support it. The support can be flexible to respond to the requirements, but it's not a grant scheme.
Who is responsible for LEADER in Gwynedd?
LEADER projects are managed on a local level by a local action group. There are between 15 and 18 members on the group, with representatives from the private, voluntary and public sectors.